Welcome back, guys. I have tried to write the proper BIOS for the laptop in order to work, but I think I destroyed the BIOS chip somehow. Right here, let me zoom so I can show you. This is the MX 126 25L 512 MC. The programmer was not able to find what I needed. So the only thing that I can go here is the MXIC, and down the name for the chip, which is very important, is MX25L 512. But if I'm going to scroll and look for more, I'm just limited. Right here on the top there is the 2.5 volts, and it has the same specs, but is not exactly what I need. So I believe when I erased the chip, because the number one, let me show you something else. The chip has a spot right here that it says number one is here. So if you see the dot, there is a dot right here. Yes, the dot that you see, there is number one, and the number one of the pliers is red, which is this one. So I installed it. So I installed the correct in the correct way. Pardon. So number one is red, which is this part. But I think I destroyed the entire chip. I also, when I removed the inferior part of the case, somehow something broke here too. In this part, let me show you. Okay, so this one are intact, and this one, it isn't anymore. You see? So this one broke from here. So I have to glue it back in order to fit the screw inside. And the other thing that I did when because last night I came home very late and tried to. There is another broken gap right here on the keyboard. So when I try to remove it, I push harder in this area, and the keyboard has a rupture right here in this area here. You see, it's very thin, but if I'm pushing down, it will break even worse. So yeah, I'm afraid I'm going to have to take the entire laptop to the computer shop and see from there where exactly I bricked here. My advice for you, if you don't have the proper tools, don't try to repair it yourself home. Don't do the same mistake as I did. You know, I have talked to another guy about this issue that I made, and he said, "Do you have the hot air station?" And I said no. So he advised me not to try using my hot iron instead. So this is the bad thing that I did last night. I was very tired, I couldn't see very well, and I made a lot of mistakes. Yeah. I will be showing you the fix for this laptop next week, when I'm going to the computer shop and see from there what exactly I did. Thank you for watching once again, guys, and see you in another video. Bye.